Hi, myself Deepti. I'm nutritionist, yoga trainer, and a most specialization in veterinary nutrition, and I'm a childbirth educator. Just want to talk things before actually going into the topic. I am really very glad here to be in the empowerment group of Galaxy Wellbeing. Empowerment is a responsible, it is a self-determined, which owns our own authority. Here you can't empower someone, and you could not get empowered by someone, right? To make a complete support, that means taking responsibility, taking control for our own life, right? So here comes the topic. In the next few days, we are going to discuss some few points on women holistic health. And to be in brief, let's discuss. See, welcome now. We are going to discuss the topic. It's right. You would see like every common problem we would be facing in women, and we will try to get some solution here in a Galaxy Wellness Activity Club. Mostly women think that they are doing everything, like I'm walking, I'm exercising, having a healthy lifestyle, but I'm not reducing my weight. Is this the question most of you will have, right? Yeah, that may be due to many reasons. In that, we are going to discuss one topic on hormones, which plays a tremendous role in our body. So, you would like to lose hormonal weight gain, right? So, before that, let's see what are the things we have to not do and what are the symptoms in it. In symptoms, coming to symptoms, we feel so lethargy, we feel so tiredness, it is very difficulty in sleeping, and most of them will feel headache, depression, indigestion, change in appetite, puffy face, lot of anxiety issues, and also sexual dysfunction. So all this plays a very tremendous role in our hormonal imbalance. That is nothing but a hormonal weight gain. So how will you overcome this hormonal imbalance? The major issue, because you should have a good metabolism. You should maintain your body metabolism with self-regulating process by balancing your bodily function. Like it may be reproductive health, it may be weight maintenance, and also the imbalance. It's a more weight gain. So it is nothing but you have a lot of hormone imbalance. So this is the thing you have to look after. And how do you lose your hormonal weight again? Yeah, I will give you some of the techniques. The first thing is if you actually have all these symptoms, then what is the first thing you have to do? You have to go near the doctor, right? You have to check your imbalances. You have to go for your regular checkups, and then you have to maintain your lifestyle management and take a proper medication, and then you can control your weight with these things. Yeah, and also before that, you have to get blood test done with that. And you have to avoid alcohol, processed foods, late night snacks, and aerated, artificially sweetened drinks like colas and everything, sodas. And all with this, you also need a proper sleep. It should be very peaceful. The duration increases your health and it lowers the leptin in the body where it is due to weight gain. And you should also hydrate yourself and stay healthy. Mostly in the food things, you should eat lot of fresh vegetables, the whole grains and fruits. And of course, you should do exercise regularly. And this is one of the things which is missing in our generation. And this is we are seeing from a girl or a boy from 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years of age till 60 years of men and women. When you exercise it regularly, when you burn more calories, your hormones will be in place. And also try to practice deep breathing like yoga, meditation, and try to reduce your stresses a lot. Okay, so this is one of the major causes. We have seen that weight gain is very a big role, and it is functioning a lot. Hormones along with your lifestyle, it influences your appetite as well. It increases your metabolism also. So to that you have to see, you should have very less stress based on your age, genes, and poor lifestyle choices. With that, you may increase your metabolism and your uncontrollable hunger. This will give you lot of weight gain. So what are the minimal amount of proteins adding every day in your lifestyle in a healthy time and a healthy manner? What that kind of protein is available? You have already know it, right? It is nothing but a wellness product. Wellness shakes will give you an hormonal balances because while taking an Oriflame wellness shake, you will have a lot of differences in your body by maintaining only within 1 month. Just check yourself, take it every day and see the results. If you really have hormone imbalance, this Oriflame Wellness Shake will help you for your moderate weight gain and for your calorie cutting, and also it gives you an instant energy. So with these things, you can actually see that a hormonal weight gain is due to its our exercising regularly, eating food, or anything else we have in our body. Yeah, thank you.